How to charge your doorbell camera. You can either connect it to your power bank, your phone adapter, or a socket. A red indicator comes on, which indicates that the doorbell camera is charging. Let's connect it to the phone adapter. You can see the red indicator. A red indicator comes on. This red indicator indicates that this doorbell camera is charging. Once it goes off, it means that the doorbell camera is fully charged. Let's allow it to charge for some minutes. So the red indicator has gone off, meaning that it is fully charged. The battery is fully charged.